Okay everyone, Samsung just dropped the S26 Ultra, and if you look at the spec sheet, it truly appears to be a monster of a device. With its Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, this phone promises top-tier performance. It also introduces a new privacy display, advanced features, innovative creative tools, and a plethora of camera options. One of its standout features is that this phone is backed by an impressive 7 years of updates, ensuring it remains relevant and up to date with the latest software advancements. Unfortunately for me, I don't have it in my hands yet, but I still want to share my excitement with all of you about how the new S26 Ultra looks and the features it includes. This phone comes in a stunning array of colors that cater to all personal styles, including silver shadow, pink gold, cobalt violet, sky blue, black, and white. Pre-orders are available starting from $1,299 for the 256GB model, while the 512GB variant will set you back $1,499, and the high-capacity 1TB version will be priced at $1,799. Now let's dive into the display innovation that's been making waves. The S26 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X privacy display, marking it as the first smartphone to feature a privacy screen integrated directly into the device. Initially, I thought this might be somewhat gimmicky, but after checking out reviews from some top tech channels, it's clear that this innovation could be a game changer. You know that unsettling feeling of being watched when you're engrossed in your phone in public. For years, the only solution available was a clunky stick-on screen protector that would ruin the vibrant display. Thankfully, that issue has been addressed with the new Samsung S26 Ultra. This revolutionary solution is called Privacy Display. It allows you to toggle the privacy feature on or off with just a single tap. When turned off, you have a normal, brilliant Samsung screen, offering all the clarity and vibrancy you'd expect. But when you activate the privacy display, the screen transforms, becoming essentially black to anyone trying to peek from the side. The unveiling of this technology at Galaxy Unpacked on February 25, 2026 was a significant moment, as it represents the industry's first built-in toggleable privacy screen. In addition to the unique display feature, the S26 Ultra also includes advanced camera technology, with multiple lenses designed for various photography styles and scenarios. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or intricate close-ups, this phone is equipped to handle it all with impressive functionality. Additionally, enhanced creative tools mean that editing and sharing your photos has never been easier, allowing you to bring your artistic vision to life straight from your device. Another impressive aspect of the S26 Ultra is its battery life. With all these high-performance features, you can expect a long-lasting battery that can keep up with your daily demands. All of this combines to form an extraordinary device that sets a new standard in the smartphone market, pushing boundaries in innovation and performance. I can hardly wait to get my hands on the Samsung S26 Ultra and experience these features firsthand. It's not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology, designed to enhance user experience and privacy in ways we've never seen before. How does Samsung's Flex Magic Pixel technology work? Imagine it as microscopic window blinds intricately integrated within the display. When you activate privacy mode, these tiny structures effectively block and redirect light, narrowing it into a focused, forward-facing cone. This innovative design allows the screen to remain bright and clear for your viewing pleasure, while anyone sitting beside you sees a darkened display. This technology enhances personal privacy without compromising the user experience, making it particularly beneficial in public spaces or crowded areas. Now let's discuss the camera dominance. Samsung has always had a reputation for producing impressive cameras, but the S26 Ultra has taken this to new heights, truly reaching a level of greatness. The much anticipated 200 megapixel sensor has returned, and it offers instantaneous processing speeds that allow you to capture moments effortlessly. One of its standout features is the remarkable zoom capability, powered by a new 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens. Nightography is another feature that deserves special mention. It practically transforms nighttime scenes into bright, vivid images that retain their enchanting ambiance. For those who engage in content creation, the 4K 120 frames per second front camera acts as a portable vlogging studio, enabling you to produce high-quality videos with ease. Moreover, if you're looking for ease in editing photos, the Samsung S26 Ultra has incorporated voice-activated photo edits. Just say the word and your command translates into action, simplifying the editing process. With this feature, you can conduct easy photo editing through simple spoken instructions, making the task enjoyable and accessible even for those with minimal editing experience. Additionally, integrating the photo assist powered by Galaxy AI adds a layer of sophistication. You can add objects to your images merely by describing your desired edits, and Galaxy AI works to bring your vision to life seamlessly. It even allows you to transform your favorite pictures into stickers in an instant. The Creative Studio serves as a dedicated space for generating unique sticker sets. All you need is a simple description or a rough sketch outline, and Galaxy AI does the rest, producing stickers that are perfect for sharing with friends or adding to your keyboard for quick access. This combination of advanced technology makes photo editing and personalization incredibly fun and easy, perfect for the current generation of creators. Let's talk about battery life and longevity. Power is nothing without battery, right? The efficiency of the new chip is exceedingly evident, allowing for prolonged usage without compromise. Plus, Samsung is promising an impressive 7 years of OS updates, which means you could literally keep this phone until the S33 comes out, making it a sound investment for the future. If you want the best screen, the most versatile camera, and power that lasts for years, the S26 Ultra is undeniably the only choice right now. It's designed for those who demand uncompromising performance and quality in their mobile devices. If you're currently on an S23 or older, run. Don't walk to upgrade. The leap in technology and user experience you will notice is remarkable, and you are going to feel the difference immediately. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the positivity in this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. I can't wait to see you in the next one as we continue exploring the latest in tech.